am a cat. Meow. Meow. What's that in my litter box? No. No. I want the expensive litter. No. No. It clumps up around my feet. Yes. Yes. No. That's not the right kind of litter. No. No. I want the other. I want the fancy litter. I want the fancy litter. Do you understand me? Next time you go shopping, you get me the fancy litter. Oh, he gets the fancy litter. Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. No, you give me some of that fancy litter and then write my name and diamond on the litter box. Kathy. Yes, yes, I can just imagine it right now. So you hear me? I want the fancy litter. I want it. Go shopping. Right? Yes, I mean right now. Or give me some of that. Or you just pour the whole bag. It's like 80 pounds of litter. You just pour the whole thing into his litter box. It's not even that big. It's overflowing. Dude, the litter box is overflowing. It is all on the floor now. I'm letting it out of my litter box. Go into on the floor and pee on the floor. If you don't, scoop some of that up and put it in my litter box. Do it now. Yeah.